All Wales Auction.
I think one of the main things was that, we built a new brand. We wanted to show to the public that we could do it as best as we could. We think we've delivered a good service, and we want to use this now as a platform to grow the brand further. It's fantastic, really, isn't it? Because we've got the success rates, we're doing the business, we're selling them at the rostrum, and we're achieving the best results we think we can for our customers.